Are you putting this video to
Sammy, it's fake. Sammy, it's fake. Don't do it. Oh god, this is a wild kingdom in here.
Are you adding this video to another part?
Yeah, this is day one. This is day one of the vlog.
So we're waking up.
Yeah, I woke up. I woke up a couple hours ago, actually. I still got some packing to do. You think I should get to it? Hello? She's in a TV trance. She's watching. I don't know what the hell she's watching. Oh, God. Alright.
No!
We gotta pack. We gotta finish packing. Waiting for Christian. My ride. My Uber.
No, I'm riding with you.
What? Oh, she wanted to go in the suitcase.
I did. Because I already went in it with the zip closed, and I could actually breathe in there.
Don't say that. We didn't put her in the suitcase. Maybe I did. I'm ready. Alright, I'm on my way to the airport. Made it happen. A lot of packing and bullshit, but I got it done. And on my way to Greece. I had to make a quick stop at Nico's for my American Express card. The biggest question mark right now is that electric skateboard. I took the battery off. It's a 99 watt hour battery, so I think it meets specs, but let's see. That's why Christian's driving me today. He's gonna wait outside. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check the bag. If they don't take it, I can just bring it out. He can bring it home for me, but see what happens. Cross your fingers. Should be fine. Should be fine. Can't find the terminal. Christian, we're having trouble. What's going on here? Thank you, Christian. Oh, Jesus Christ. Show Rich this was going in the episode. Look at this guy. First class Uber all day, baby. That's the service. I got my boosted board and he's got that. Dude, I'm not making fun. This is great. Thank you so much. Richie, this one's for you, bud. Wow, what happened? It's on wheels, it's not that bad. Ticketing and checking. Yeah, right here. Oh God, this is so convenient. They made it nice, no?
Travel.gov.gr. Yeah, you have to do that before checking in.
Okay.
Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm editing this video right now from the airport. So the skateboard went through okay. I will, Georgie. Georgie's a ham now.
My cousin is fucking crazy, man.
Fucking
He's
ham.
fucking crazy.
So The airport went fine. The only like thing is that when you enter into Greece, you have to fill out this form saying that you have a vaccine, where you're staying. They just want to keep track of you. So that took about 10 minutes. But otherwise, skateboard went through. I was happy. It's here now. Very happy. And yeah, all is good. Just make sure you fill out that form before you go to Greece. I had my vaccine, so it's all good.
There's no other way to fly.